Forget carrots for a moment. What if I told you that 6 tiny seeds, foods many seniors already have in their kitchen, may help support your eyes better than most people realize, sometimes even more effectively than eye drops alone? Many adults over 60 notice the same frustrating changes. Words on a page start to blur. Night driving becomes harder. Your eyes feel dry, tired, or strained by the evening. And often the only advice people hear is, "That's just aging." But the truth is more specific than that. What most seniors are rarely told is that your eyes depend on certain nutrients to repair and protect delicate tissues, especially after 60. And some of the most powerful of those nutrients are packed inside tiny seeds most people overlook. In fact, research shows these seeds contain compounds that may help support tear production, protect the retina, improve circulation to the eyes, and reduce inflammation that contributes to vision decline. And the most powerful seed on today's list might surprise you. Let's start with one that many people already have at home, but rarely realize how helpful it may be for aging eyes.
If you've noticed your eyes feeling more dry, more sensitive to light, or slower to focus than they used to, you're certainly not alone. Many adults over 60 begin experiencing these changes gradually. Reading small print becomes harder, night driving feels uncomfortable. Your eyes may even feel gritty or tired by the end of the day. And very often, these symptoms are brushed off as something you simply have to live with. But here's what most seniors are never told. In many cases, the eyes are not wearing out. They may simply be missing the nutritional support that helps eye tissue stay healthy, lubricated, and protected. Your retina, tear glands, and tiny blood vessels around the eye depend on specific nutrients to keep working well, especially as the body ages. Eye drops can temporarily soothe dryness, but they don't always address what's happening inside the eye itself. This is where certain foods, especially nutrient-dense seeds, can quietly make a difference. These small foods contain omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, zinc, and powerful antioxidants that help protect the delicate structures of the eye from inflammation and age-related stress. And the surprising part is this: many of these seeds are inexpensive, easy to eat, and require no complicated preparation. Today, we're going to walk through 6 tiny seeds that may help support clearer, more comfortable vision, starting with one that's often overlooked but incredibly helpful for protecting aging eyes. Before we dive into the first seed, I'd love to hear from you. If you feel comfortable, tell us in the comments how old you are and what kind of eye changes you've noticed recently. Is it dry eyes, blurry vision when reading, or maybe driving at night has become more difficult than it used to be? Many people watching this channel are in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s, and it's always encouraging to see the community supporting one another. And if you're noticing that your eyes feel more tired, dry, or sensitive than they did a few years ago, stay with me, because the first seed on this list may already be sitting in your kitchen, quietly offering nutrients your eyes have been needing for years. Let's begin with number 6. Number 6 is sesame seeds. These tiny seeds may not get much attention when people talk about eye health, but they contain something aging eyes quietly depend on: vitamin E and zinc. As we get older, the cells in the eyes face more oxidative stress. That simply means the delicate tissues in the retina and lens are exposed to more damage from daily wear, sunlight, and inflammation. Vitamin E acts like a protective shield for those cells, helping defend them from that stress. Zinc plays another important role. It helps move vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it's needed to produce protective pigments that support clearer vision, especially in dim lighting. That's one reason why many older adults notice their night vision getting weaker. Often, it's not just age. It may be that the body isn't getting enough of the nutrients that support those processes. Sesame seeds offer both of these nutrients in a very compact form. Some nutritional researchers have also pointed out that sesame seeds contain natural plant compounds called lignans, which may support circulation and antioxidant activity throughout the body, including the tiny blood vessels that feed the eyes. And those tiny blood vessels matter more than most people realize. Your eyes rely on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered through very small capillaries. Supporting that circulation helps nourish the retina and other structures that keep your vision clear. The good news is sesame seeds are very easy to include in your daily routine. Many seniors sprinkle a spoonful over oatmeal in the morning, mix them into yogurt, or add them to salads or cooked vegetables.
Even a small amount, about a tablespoon a day, can provide a meaningful boost of nutrients. It may seem like a small habit, but over time, these little supports can make a difference. Now, sesame seeds are helpful, but the next seed on our list contains one of the most powerful antioxidants for protecting eye cells as we age, and most people walk right past it at the grocery store without realizing what it can do. Number 5 is sunflower seeds. If there is one nutrient eye specialists often talk about for protecting aging eyes, it's vitamin E. And sunflower seeds happen to be one of the richest natural sources of it. As we grow older, the cells in the eyes, especially those in the retina, become more vulnerable to oxidative stress. This is the gradual damage caused by light exposure, normal metabolism, and inflammation over time. Many researchers believe this stress plays a role in conditions like age-related macular changes and declining visual sharpness. Vitamin E works as a powerful antioxidant. In simple terms, it helps defend the delicate cells of the eye from that daily wear and tear. Several nutritional studies looking at aging and vision have found that people who consume adequate vitamin E tend to show better protection of retinal cells compared with those who don't get enough of this nutrient. But here's the interesting part many seniors don't hear. Your eyes are made largely of fatty tissue and sensitive membranes, which means they depend heavily on antioxidants like vitamin E to stay stable and protected. Without enough support, those tissues can become more prone to dryness, irritation, and slow cellular damage. That's where sunflower seeds quietly help. Just a small handful contains a meaningful amount of vitamin E, along with selenium and other trace minerals that assist the body's natural repair systems, and they're incredibly easy to add to daily meals. Many older adults enjoy a small handful as an afternoon snack. Mix them into oatmeal, sprinkle them over salads, or stir them into yogurt. You don't need large amounts. Just one small handful a day can contribute to the nutrients your eyes may be missing. But here is where things get even more interesting. The next seed on our list doesn't just protect the eyes, it may actually help support tear production and reduce dry eye symptoms, which is one of the most common complaints after age 60. Number 4 is chia seeds. If your eyes often feel dry, irritated, or tired by the end of the day, this is where chia seeds can become especially helpful. Dry eye is one of the most common complaints among adults over 60. Many seniors describe it as a gritty feeling, burning sensation, or eyes that feel tired even after a good night's sleep. Eye drops can provide temporary relief, but they often don't address what may be happening inside the body. One hidden cause of dry eyes is insufficient omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help support the oily layer of your tear film, the thin protective coating that keeps your eyes lubricated and comfortable. Without enough of these healthy fats, tears can evaporate more quickly, leading to that uncomfortable dryness many older adults experience. Chia seeds happen to be one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Researchers studying nutrition and eye comfort have found that increasing omega-3 intake may help improve tear stability and support healthier tear production. In simple terms, that means your eyes may stay naturally moist longer. But that's not the only benefit. Omega-3 fats also support circulation. The tiny blood vessels that nourish the retina depend on healthy blood flow. When circulation improves, those tissues receive more oxygen and nutrients, helping them function more efficiently. And the wonderful thing about chia seeds is how easy they are to use. Many seniors simply stir a tablespoon into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Others soak them in water or milk for a few minutes, where they form a soft pudding-like texture that's easy to eat and gentle on digestion. Just 1 tablespoon a day can provide a strong dose of omega-3s that your eyes may quietly be asking for. Now, chia seeds are excellent for dryness and circulation, but the next seed on this list supports something that becomes especially important after 60, your ability to see clearly at night. Number 3 is pumpkin seeds. If you've noticed that night driving feels harder than it used to, or that your eyes take longer to adjust when the lights get dim, this is something many older adults experience. And one hidden reason often comes down to zinc. Zinc is a mineral that plays a critical role in how your eyes use vitamin A. It helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it is used to produce protective pigments that support vision in low light conditions. Without enough zinc, the retina may not function as efficiently, which can contribute to weaker night vision and slower adjustment between light and dark environments. Pumpkin seeds happen to be one of the best natural sources of zinc. In fact, nutrition experts often recommend pumpkin seeds for older adults because zinc levels can decline with age, and many people simply don't get enough of it through their daily meals. But pumpkin seeds offer more than just zinc. They also contain magnesium, healthy fats, and antioxidants, which help support circulation and protect delicate eye tissues from inflammation. These nutrients work together to support the small blood vessels that nourish the retina. Healthy circulation is extremely important for the eyes because the retina depends on a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to stay strong and responsive. Adding pumpkin seeds to your routine is simple. A small handful can be enjoyed as a snack, sprinkled over salads, or mixed into oatmeal or yogurt. Some seniors even lightly roast them for extra flavor. Just one small handful several times a week can help provide the zinc your eyes depend on. But now we're getting to the seeds that truly stand out, because the next one on this list has been studied specifically for helping reduce dry eye symptoms and supporting long-term eye lubrication, something many seniors struggle with every single day. Number 2 is flax seeds. If you struggle with eyes that feel dry, scratchy, or tired, flax seeds may be one of the most helpful seeds you can add to your daily routine. Many older adults notice that their eyes simply don't stay lubricated the way they used to. You may wake up with dry eyes in the morning or feel burning and irritation after reading or watching television for a while. And while eye drops can offer temporary comfort, they often do not address a deeper issue. The body may be lacking the healthy fats needed to support natural tear production. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly a type called ALA. These healthy fats play a key role in supporting the glands around the eyes that produce the oils needed for a stable tear film. When that tear film is balanced, tears don't evaporate as quickly. That means your eyes stay moist, comfortable, and less irritated throughout the day. Several nutrition studies looking at dry eye symptoms have found that increasing omega-3 intake may help improve eye lubrication and reduce the feeling of irritation many people experience as they age. But here's the part many seniors miss. Flax seeds work best when they are ground, not eaten whole. Whole flax seeds can pass through the digestive system without releasing many of their nutrients. Grinding them allows your body to actually absorb those valuable omega-3 fats. Fortunately, they are very easy to add to meals. Many seniors stir a tablespoon of ground flaxseed into oatmeal, yogurt, applesauce, or smoothies. Some even mix it into cereal or sprinkle it on toast with peanut butter. Just 1 tablespoon per day can provide a strong dose of omega-3s that help support eye lubrication from the inside out. But the final seed on our list may be the most balanced and powerful of them all. Because it doesn't just contain omega-3s, it contains the ideal blend of healthy fats that may help calm inflammation in the delicate tissues of the eye and support the retina itself. Before we reveal the number 1 seed, let me pause for just a moment. If you're finding this video helpful so far, take a second to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps more seniors find this information, and it lets us keep sharing simple ways to support your health, mobility, and independence as the years go on. And if you've already heard about one of these seeds before, or if you already eat any of them, feel free to share that in the comments. Your experience may help someone else watching today. Now, stay with me, because the final seed on this list is one that many people overlook, but it may offer one of the most balanced combinations of nutrients for protecting aging eyes. Number 1 is hemp seeds. This may surprise some people, because hemp seeds are not often mentioned when people talk about eye health. But nutritionally, they are one of the most balanced seeds you can eat, especially for adults over 60. Hemp seeds contain a nearly ideal balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, along with vitamin E, magnesium, and plant proteins that help support tissue repair throughout the body. And this balance matters for your eyes. As we age, inflammation can quietly build up in delicate tissues, including the retina and the tiny blood vessels that feed the eyes. When those tissues become inflamed or poorly nourished, it can contribute to dryness, fatigue, and gradual changes in vision. Healthy fats help calm that inflammation and support the thin protective layers of the eye. Researchers studying fatty acids in eye health have found that balanced omega fats may support tear stability, retinal function, and overall eye comfort, particularly in older adults who struggle with dry or irritated eyes. Another reason hemp seeds stand out is how easy they are to digest. Unlike many seeds, hemp seeds have a soft texture and do not require grinding, which makes them especially convenient for seniors. They have a mild, slightly nutty flavor and can be sprinkled on oatmeal, yogurt, cereal, salads, or even mixed into soups. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day can provide a gentle but powerful supply of healthy fats and antioxidants that support the eyes from within. And when many seniors combine hemp seeds with some of the other seeds we discussed earlier, they begin giving their eyes a wide range of nutrients that support lubrication, circulation, and protection for the delicate tissues responsible for vision. It may seem like a small change in your diet, but sometimes the smallest habits are the ones that quietly support the body the most. So let's quickly bring these 6 powerful seeds together. We started with sesame seeds, which provide zinc and vitamin E that help protect retinal cells and support healthy tear production. Then came sunflower seeds, one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, helping defend the eyes against oxidative stress that can affect vision as we age. Next were chia seeds, packed with omega-3 fatty acids that support tear stability and may help reduce the dryness many seniors feel throughout the day. Number 3 was pumpkin seeds, a wonderful source of zinc that helps transport vitamin A to the retina and supports clearer vision, especially in low light. Then we discussed flax seeds, which research often links to improved eye lubrication thanks to their high omega-3 content. And finally, hemp seeds, offering one of the most balanced combinations of healthy fats and antioxidants that may help calm inflammation and nourish the delicate tissues of the eye. The encouraging thing to remember is this: you don't have to rely on just one of these foods. Many seniors find that simply rotating a few of these seeds during the week, sprinkling them on oatmeal, yogurt, salads, or soups, can provide a steady supply of nutrients that help support eye comfort and protection over time. Small foods, taken consistently, can quietly support the parts of the body we depend on every day, including our eyes. Now I'm curious about you. Out of the 6 seeds we talked about today, which one have you already tried? Or which one do you think you'll start adding to your meals first? Is it chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, or maybe hemp seeds? Go ahead and share it down in the comments. And if you're comfortable sharing, you can also tell us what change in your vision bothers you the most right now. Is it dry eyes, blurry reading vision, or trouble seeing clearly at night? Your comments not only help us understand what seniors are experiencing, but they also help others realize they're not alone in what they're going through. If you found this helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Our goal here is simple: to share practical, science-aware health tips that help adults over 60 stay strong, active, and independent. And if you know a friend, spouse, parent, or neighbor who has been struggling with dry eyes or fading vision, consider sharing this video with them. Sometimes one small piece of information can make a big difference in someone's daily comfort. We post new videos every week focused on healthy aging, mobility, energy, and protecting your body as the years go on, so be sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Growing older does not mean your body has stopped responding to care and support. In many cases, it simply means your body needs the right kind of nourishment and attention. Your eyes work for you every single day, helping you read, drive, recognize the faces you love, and stay independent. And sometimes the smallest habits, like adding a few nutrient-rich foods to your meals, can quietly support those delicate systems that keep your vision working well. Because many people over 60 are discovering that with the right habits, strength, comfort, and clarity can still improve, even later in life. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.